The science of yeast. Yeast is a fungus, which is a living organism. Today we will investigate how these tiny organisms create pockets of air, which when used to make bread rise, make bread soft, and make bread squishy. I have a packet of yeast, 2 bottles with warm water. Hot water would actually cause the yeast to die, 2 balloons, table sugar, and a funnel. In each water bottle, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and in 1 water bottle, I'm going to add 1 packet of yeast. We're going to mix our water and sugar. And we're going to mix our water, sugar, and yeast. Okay, next I'm going to put balloons over top of the water bottles. Predict what you think will happen to the balloon that's on top of the water bottle with the yeast and sugar. Pause the video to make your prediction. Yeast is a tiny single-celled fungus that feeds off of sugars. As the yeast cells eat the sugar, it releases a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas fills the jar and then fills the balloon. When we make bread, the yeast gets trapped. When we cook the bread and heat the bread, the yeast die. The bread turns to a solid with many air pockets, creating a soft bread that rises into a loaf of bread. Sometimes bread is made of yeast. How do you think that the bread will be different if the bread was made without yeast?